Plant-based tuna, I've never seen this before ever. Or like a mix to make a burger. I'm not a big fan of mock meats because I do not want to enjoy the flavor of chicken. Hello, welcome to a new video here in my channel from China We Love. Today I'm gonna be taking you with me to a very special place. It's a vegan shop that does sell a lot of products for you if you are wondering whether you can find this kind of, you know, groceries in Mexico, specifically in Guadalajara, the city that I'm in. I think you're gonna really enjoy this video, so stay until the end and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section whether you are enjoying this series. So with no further ado, let's go to the video. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm loving this place because it's super green. This is another shopping mall just next to the one that we were previously, and we are about to enter. We're looking first for this shop, which is like all plant-based or vegan products imported from the USA. So I'm gonna invite you to take a look at them for you to see what is exactly that you can find in here. Okay, so we are here and the shop is called Mr. Tofu Vegetarian Food Shop. As you can see, even the, you know, it's in English because it's like an international supermarket. It's like a vegan supermarket. So let's enter and see what we can find here. Yeah. First of all, I love that all is green. Yeah, just like my sweater. And here we can find monk sweetener, and then we also have agave. Wow, this is like sugar from dates sugar. Wow, premium plant-based burger mix. I've never seen this before, like a mix to make a burger. Everything here is vegan. Choco vegan, Nutella, Choco Zero, peanut butter, almond butter, and then a lot of like vitamins and supplements, which all these like vegan, 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 vegan prenatal, one daily. And then we have cacao nibs, cookies, cake without gluten, and tapioca flour, brownie without gluten, bread, rice flour, hot cakes without gluten. And down here we have like coconut, organic, like pieces of coconut. This is organic oatmeal without gluten as well. And then flaxseed, quinoa, hemp seed. Okay, so let's take a look at the fridges. We have like Daya, delicious dairy-free cheese. Wow, we have all kind of cheeses, like cheeses, non-cheeses, as you can see. Wow, this cheese is super big. Some are like local and some are like imported products from the USA, as you can see. We have yogurt, plant-based yogurt. We have tempeh, tofurkey, which is basically like tofu flavor, like a turkey, I guess. And then plant-based Italian, plant-based ham, plant-based hickory. Wow, tofurkey. I've never tried that tofurkey. Sausages, mayo, sour cream. Wow. We have a lot of dressings, like a lot of dressings, and big jars, medium jars. I've bought previously the ranch one, but I'm not a fan because it does have garlic, and I do not enjoy garlic, as you know. We have great buttery taste. This is vegan butter, soy-free, organic. And then we have, wow, this is chicken, vegan chicken. And then saucers. Wow, this is veggie burgers, like different kind of flavors. Look at this. This is like Thai flavor, Andina, Hindu. Wow, I want to try this Hindu. Del Bosque. And we have like different kind of like burgers and tacos. Have you tried this one, the Beyond Burger? I've tried it on a Burger King in Las Vegas and it was quite nice. Sausages, plant-based meatballs, plant-based patties. There's pad thai, tofu, curry, cauliflower mac and cheese. We have ice creams. A lot of ice creams from this brand Daya. I've never tried it before. Beefless strips. I think these are kind of mock meats. Beefless burger. Meatless meat. Breakfast. Ground beef. Plant-based ground. Wow, this is so special. Plant-based ground beef. Black bean burger. Chipotle. Garden veggie burger. Crabless meat. I mean crablings. Wow. Crabless crab. And then a lot of pizzas. Check out this. This is like chicken wings or something. And then mandarin orange chicken, 7-grain crispy tenders, chicken and tenders, Georgia style. Wow, it's like so many. Chicken patties. Oh gosh, this is the first time I've seen this. This is like banana chia latte. I've never tried chia latte. I mean, I tried a chai latte, but not a chia latte. So I'm definitely getting this. Before, I previously bought this one, the brand for the chai, and I really enjoy it. So I'm gonna take the banana chia latte. Wow. Seriously, here in Mexico, you can find like a lot of stuff. You know, we can even find the coconuts Aminos. Wow, here we have like pastor, plant-based pastor. Incredible. It's pork free. You know, pastor tacos are one of the traditional Mexican cuisine dishes. I wonder how this tastes. Wow, is this like vegan tuna? Plant-based tuna. I've never seen this before, ever. I'm super impressed. Plant-based tuna, sea salt. I want one plant-based tuna. It's made out of what? Ingredients. Pea protein. Plant-based tuna.
Are you kidding?
Sister is here buying. It's crazy. Like plant-based tuna, we are amazed. This is pozole, vegetarian soy protein, bistec, seitan. And then we have chilito because in Mexico we like to, you know, put chilito in everything. I used to buy these coconut aminos back in Hong Kong and they were super expensive. I wonder how much they are here. Like seriously, when I went on my vegan shopping spree to to Hong Kong, I spent so much compared to what you can spend in here. Veggie mix is vegetarian seasoning, and then we have activated charcoal, a lot of like dressing seasonings. Well, spaghetti. This is konjac spaghetti, and then we have like nutritional yeast, mayonnaise without egg, different kind of flavors. Veggie chorizo. Oh, these ones over here are so nice. These are natural candles. Wow, this is like hemp seed conditioner, bath gel, body soap. And these are also soaps like chai tea. Wow, chai tea soap. And those are soy products. Chia negra. This black chia, I rarely seen this black chia. Curcuma, which is turmeric, stevia leaf, quinoa, hemp, spirulina, maca, moringa. Wow, marshmallows. So what do you think about this Mr. Tofu, guys? It's super complete. Mr. Tofu, yeah. So I did got some goodies. I got a tuna to try it out. I'm super excited. I've never ever tried like vegan tuna, and I used to like it before I went vegan. My favorite food was like from the seafood, not like chicken or pork or red meat. So what do you guys think about that shop? I think it's a great place for vegans to come and stock on mock meats, especially because they do have a lot, like especially chicken, wings, this and that, pad thai, you know, everything that you can think of, even like Asian foods, American, Italian, Mexican, etc. So I'm not a big fan of mock meats because I do not want to enjoy the flavor of chicken or beef. You know, I was never a fan of it. But I know that a lot of people that are beginning in this lifestyle, they do miss those flavors. So I think that would be a great option for you guys to stay on track with your vegan decision.